Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily source for the coolest, most customizable tech in the game. Today, we're looking at a keyboard that blends premium gaming performance with enthusiast level customization, the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 wireless gaming keyboard. If you're serious about both gaming and aesthetics, this one belongs on your desk. First off, let's talk design. The Azoth 75 features a sleek, compact 75% layout, ideal for saving desk space without sacrificing crucial keys. It comes with PBT double-shot keycaps for durability and a clean, textured finish that resists shine and wear. What really makes this keyboard stand out is its OLED display in the top right corner. You can use it to display system stats, custom animations, keyboard settings, or even personalized logos, a unique, functional touch that turns your setup into a conversation starter. Inside, the Azoth 75 features a gasket mount design combined with 3 layers of dampening foam, giving you a soft, flexible typing feel with muted acoustics, no more sharp clacks or rattles. It's tuned to sound and feel premium right out of the box. You get hot-swappable, pre-lubed ROG NX Snow mechanical switches, offering smooth, linear keystrokes perfect for both gaming and typing. These are matched with stabilized keys for larger keys like the spacebar and enter to keep things ultra-responsive and balanced. The DIY element here is no joke. ASUS includes a switch puller, lube kit, and keycap puller in the box so you can mod your board to your heart's content. Connectivity: triple mode, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired USB-C. With a 2000 Hz polling rate in wireless mode, this is one of the fastest wireless boards on the market today. Battery life is also impressive, with up to 2000 hours of use on a single charge. OLED off, and robust software control via Armoury Crate lets you fine-tune RGB effects, macros, and profiles with ease. If you're looking for a high-end wireless keyboard that delivers enthusiast-grade features, elite gaming performance, and a premium typing experience, the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 is in a league of its own. Hit the link below to check it out, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more premium tech right here on Gadgetverse.